There are moments in life, let's be honest, many moments, when the soul craves something simple, something elemental. It's a primal need, a desire for warmth that radiates from the inside out. A culinary hug in a bowl. This craving often strikes on a Tuesday. When the sky is a particular shade of gray, after too many spreadsheets and not nearly enough satisfaction, you find yourself in the kitchen, the hum of the fridge your only companion, thinking, I need something good, something real. This isn't a 10-course tasting menu or molecular gastronomy. No, this is a call for soup. One of humanity's oldest and most honest dishes. Humble ingredients, a little heat, a little time, and something greater than the sum of its parts. Now, let's talk about our star player, broccoli. It often gets a bad rap, doesn't it? Relegated to the sad, overcooked side dish with the integrity of a wet paper towel. A grave injustice. Treated with respect, it's a flavor and nutrition powerhouse. A cousin to cabbage, cauliflower and kale. The royal family of veg. Its flavor is complex. Slightly sweet, a little bitter, earthy, almost grassy. Nutritionally, a superhero in a floret-shaped cape, loaded with vitamin C and vitamin K. A serving can exceed your daily C for immune support and skin health, high in fiber for a happy digestive system, and sulforaphane, the antioxidant scientists are excited about. Indulgent taste, massive favor to your body with every spoonful. It's a win-win. All right, every mission needs a manifest. Gather your mise en place. Everything in its place prevents stress later. Short, simple list, nothing exotic. 1 large yellow onion and 2 cloves of garlic. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Butter, jaksh, flavor. Oil raises, smoke, point. A classic partnership. About 1 pound broccoli, use florets and peeled stems. 4 cups low-sodium vegetable or chicken broth. Control your salt, you can add salt, you can't take it away. 1 medium russet. Its starch blends to velvet without heavy cream. Start with 1 teaspoon kosher salt, ½ teaspoon black pepper. Optional. Juice of ½ a lemon to brighten. That's your arsenal. Simple, humble, ready to transform. We'll explain the why behind the what, so you can make it your own. Roll up your sleeves, wash your hands. Welcome to the world of truly great broccoli soup. Start with a heavy pot over medium heat. Melt butter, add oil, let them get friendly. Add onion. You want a gentle sizzle, not a roar. If it sputters, lower the heat. We're sweating, not browning, coaxing sweetness for 5 to 7 minutes. Add garlic and stir 30-60 seconds till fragrant. Don't brown. In go the potato and stems, coat in buttery aromatics. A brief sauté builds another layer of flavor. Add broth to just cover the vegetables. Bring to a boil, then immediately reduce to low. Maintain a gentle simmer, lazy bubbles, clear flavor. Start with a teaspoon of kosher salt and ½ teaspoon pepper. Lid slightly ajar. Let it go about 15 minutes. Add florets now. They cook fast and stay bright. Simmer another 5 to 7 minutes till tender. Pierce the largest pieces. No resistance. The broth turns pale green. Essence extracted. Patience rewarded. Components are ready for transformation. Immersion blender. Blend right in the pot for less mess. Start low, move around, then increase to fully emulsify. Using a jar blender? Work in small batches, vent the lid, cover with a towel. Aim for absolute smoothness, pure velvet. Look at that vibrant spring green. Thick enough to coat the back of a spoon. Taste. If it's flat, add a pinch of salt. Stir and taste again. Add the juice of ½ a lemon. Turns on the lights. Want richer? A splash of cream or dollop of Greek yogurt. Too thick? Thin with a little broth or hot water. When it's vibrant and balanced, your soup is complete. Serve as is, or elevate with a cream swirl and crunchy croutons. Add toasted almonds or pumpkin seeds for nutty crunch, a drizzle of good olive oil and a grind of pepper. Pair with a grilled cheese, dipping encouraged, or a crusty baguette and a light fresh salad. For starters, think small bowls with a fried sage leaf, blanched florets, or a dusting of paprika. Want heat? A pinch of red pepper flakes or a few drops of hot sauce. Go indulgent with crumbled bacon or melted sharp cheddar. You took simple ingredients, time, and sound technique, and made something magnificent. These skills are yours now. Go forth and soup, like, comment, and subscribe for more cozy, healthy recipes. Your good eats await.